Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming identities and documents. This saves time. First, locate your loan agreement or registration. For many lenders, the account number is on page 1. Once done, note the lender name and branch code. Make sure the mobile number registered with the loan is active. Call centers and apps validate using OTPs sent to that number, so keep your phone nearby. This immediate step prevents delays and lets you move to digital lookup or phone support without backtracking. Next, open the lender app or internet banking. Navigate to loans or accounts. Your two-wheeler loan account number typically appears in the loan summary. If you lack app access, search SMS and email where EMIs or dispersal messages include the loan ID. Also inspect paper statements. Once you've tried digital records, make a list of KYC details. PAN, Aadhaar, registration number. These speed verification. If the number still isn't visible, you move on to a secure phone or branch inquiry. Finally, call the lender's customer care and provide KYC and vehicle registration. Ask them to read or SMS your account number. If verification fails over the phone, visit the branch with original ID and the loan agreement to obtain written confirmation. Once received, save the number in notes and take a photo of the statement. If problems persist, check alternate registered numbers, spam folders for missed SMS, and request escalation. This resolves mismatches and protects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.